How to switch between video and photo on an Icefox 4K action camera. You can do a couple things. You can do slow mode video, regular video. You can also do time-lapse video, and you can also do burst photos. You can do a delayed timer photo, like if you're doing like a picture, a group picture or something like that. All of these things we can do very simply on here. So with our camera on, we have this power button here, and then we have these up and down buttons here. This up button is the up button for a lot of stuff, but it also is just will toggle you through this menu. So if I just hit it once, it will open this menu, and then I can select here, but there's actually more options than this. So I can select, but also if I just keep hitting, it will toggle through, and there's actually more options. It will toggle through a couple, and so you can see I have time lapse, I have burst photo, auto timer, normal photo version, time lapse version, loop video, slow-mo video, and then normal video. So I have all those different options that I can do, just toggling through. And then when I have it, so if I see it, I can just go ahead. This is a touch screen, so I can touch whatever box I want to do. Or also I can just go to where I want to go to the one I want. Let's say I want to do normal video, and then I'll just hit this top button to confirm it. So anyways, that's all there is to it. Hope this video helped. If it did, if you leave me a like, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks a lot for watching.